Alex here has got on a new Everdry Pro Drysuit from Scubapro. Really good abrasion resistant material, 4mm heavy duty compressed neoprene. The best thing about this suit, being 4mm high density compressed neoprene, that it's minimum buoyancy but really good with the thermal properties. Comfortable suit?
Very.
Yeah, good. Let's have a look. It's got a neoprene neck seal, neoprene long wrist seals, so they're going to be very watertight. As neoprene socks, that means that you can put your boots of choice over it. Cytec valves, which are really good quality. 2 thigh pockets, which is great, and it comes with a hook for your hood. The suit also comes with a bag and hose, etc. And actually, just while we mention about the how good the suit is, how warm it is, it has this Diamond D plush neoprene on the inside, which is comfortable to wear, very flexible. And in fact, this whole suit is only really 50% the weight of a standard dry suit, so it's really quite something. It has heavy duty pads. The suit's really aimed at, actually they aim this suit at the military market, professional diver, tech diver, and those of you who feel you need a more robust suit that is also very comfortable to wear. So there we have this piece of equipment. If you've got any more questions, then please just drop us a message on a direct message on Facebook or Instagram.